Hello, good afternoon. This is Ahmed Manjang. I'm a Gambian by birth. I was born on the 16th of January 1973 in the Gambia, and I attended the local primary school. From there, I proceeded to Muslim High School in 1986. In 1992, I obtained 8 O-level credits, and from there, I proceeded to the sixth form where I did A levels in biology, chemistry, and agricultural science. And in June 1994, I was employed as a lab technician with the Medical Research Council in the Gambia. This is a British research institute located in the Gambia since 1947. And in January 1997, I traveled to the UK to pursue higher education. And in 1998, I was enrolled at Langley College, where I do 1 year study in access to higher education. And I passed with 4 credits, and I proceed to the University of Reading, also in the UK, where I specialize in microbiology. I graduated with honors degree in microbiology in 2002, and I proceed to the University of Manchester, also in the UK, where I specialize in medical and molecular microbiology. And that was 2002 to 2003, and in 2004 January, I was employed as a research scientific officer with GR Micro in central London, also in the UK, and I worked for them for 1 year. In 2005 April, I was employed as a quality assurance technician with a dairy company called Dairy Crest in Stoneworth, west of England. And in April 2005, I was employed as a trainee biomedical scientist with Bristol Royal Infirmary in the UK. In April 2006, I returned back home into the Gambia, where I was employed as a scientific officer initially with the Trachoma Group, with the Medical Research Council again. And in the Trachoma Group, we were looking at the causative agents or the cytokines that are responsible for the advanced stage of trichiasis disease. In 2010, the same MRC, I moved to another project called pneumococcal surveillance study. And in pneumococcal surveillance study, we were investigating the effectiveness of 7 and 13 valent pneumococcal vaccine that were previously introduced in the expanded vaccine program of the Gambia. And in November 2012, I moved to Saudi Arabia, where I was employed as a senior research assistant in the King Fahd Medical City and also senior technologist. As a technologist, I was responsible for routine general microbiology, identifying, culturing, and also identifying the causative pathogen of a particular disease, and also molecular techniques. I use a lot of molecular assays to identify pathogenic viruses. And also the research coordinator of the research lab, and my research interest is hepatitis B virus. Right now we are looking at the epidemiology of hepatitis B virus using the next generation sequencer. And right now we are at the writing stage. We already presented this data at the annual research symposium in Riyadh here. We are also doing the molecular epidemiology of the E. coli isolated from urine sample and also blood sample. And our abstract for this research is already accepted for ICMID by ICMID to be held in Amsterdam this year. And a colleague is going there to present it. So this is me in just under 5 minutes. I believe this Obama project is well suited for me. It will give me the opportunity to relaunch my career and to further also my understanding of the scientific field I am interested in. Thank you all.